Hi mates, we are going to find out the value of this square root, but where should you start the solution? To solve this, I'm going to work on this inner part, which means second root of 9 minus second root of 8. As you know, 9 is a perfect square, so second root of 9 is 3. 8 can be written as a product of two numbers, 4 and 2. So here we go. I'm going to start with rewriting this inner part, which means second root of 9 minus second root of 8. We are going to find out the square root of this expression. As you know, second root of 9 is 3. 8 can be written as a product of 4 and 2. So it is going to be in the form of 3 minus second root of 4 times second root of 2, square root of this expression. All you know, second root of 4 is 2. So let me write it in the form of 3 minus 2 times second root of 2, square root of this expression. But what is the next step? Now we need to be a little bit tricky. I'm going to rewrite this 3 as the sum of 2 and 1. So it is going to be, let me write it here, 2. Let me write it first, negative 2 times second root of 2 and this one, square root of this. What is this? Look, this one is same as 1 squared. This is same as second root of 2 squared. What is this? This is same as 2 times second root of 2 times 1. Now what do we have? First term squared, twice of the product of the first term and second term, plus second term squared. What is this? Perfect square, which means second root of 2 minus 1 squared. And we have second root of this. These two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. And this is our final answer, which means second root of 2 minus 1. The most simplified answer of our question.